I'm Robin at Dun & McCarthy. I advise on mortgages and also family protection, and I've been with Dun & McCarthy for just over 4 years now. I started in the mortgage and protection industry a long time ago because it seemed very interesting to me. My brother-in-law actually was in the industry and he absolutely loved what he was doing. So I had a look and I attended interviews, took exams, etc., got fully qualified, and I haven't looked back, and that was a long time ago. So what sets Dun & McCarthy apart from other mortgage brokers, I believe, is first of all our access to certain technologies which allow us to find the right products for clients speedily and accurately, and also the time we spend with our clients in a no rush situation, and I believe we do give a very comprehensive service indeed. What I enjoy most actually about working with our clients is just the help that I can give. It's very rewarding personally on that level, and to see people move into a new property, sometimes people who thought they could never get a mortgage or it wasn't for them, and who have been paying maybe high amounts of rent for years and years and years, and they suddenly find they can save money by buying a property. Just quickly mention a couple I helped about a year ago. A couple with very low self-confidence. They thought they could never buy a property. They just felt they weren't good enough to buy a property. So after we had our first fact-finding meeting, they realised that actually they were in a position, or very shortly would be in a position, that they could actually buy their own property. We went through the process, they had an offer accepted, and they moved in towards the end of last year. And I actually received a phone call from Mr. They just moved into the house, they had no furniture, and they were virtually in tears. They just could not believe that this was happening to them. They were genuinely thrilled and overjoyed with what had happened. I think the most important thing that I've learned over the last 40 years or so is to have empathy with my clients, to really understand their situation thoroughly and get to know them as people, not just what they need financially, but generally what they're looking to achieve in life. And that all feeds into the recommendations and the help that I give. Okay, so how do I keep up with changes in the mortgage and protection market? So a variety of reasons. I look at trade publications, for instance. I read articles in the newspaper. I keep up with events within our mortgage network that are there to keep us educated. Twice a year, as an advisor, I have to sit exams and tests, so that brings us up to date with everything on a regular basis. Lots of communication with our compliance departments, compliance officers keeping us up to date, and it's just endless. We never stop learning and progressing and updating. It's constant, which is a good thing. What sets Dun & McCarthy apart from other businesses in the industry? A number of things, I would say. I think attention to detail when we are dealing with our clients, providing a range of services to our clients as well. I hope a high level of professionalism, constant training of staff, and improving the way we work. Technology is part of that as well, and always has been, to allow us to give the best possible service that we can. And I would say we're all dedicated and very interested in our own careers and constantly developing, which I think is the best way forward.